In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your HP Envy 6120E printer. This can be quite helpful if you're having some Wi-Fi issues or you just want to sell the printer. The first thing you need to do is press on menu, then scroll all the way down until you see tools and then press on it. From here, select maintenance and then press restore settings. So from here you have two options. You can restore the network settings or you can restore all factory defaults. Restoring the network settings will only reset the Wi-Fi. However, this bottom option will delete everything. So this is everything that it's going to delete, and it will be like the printer is brand new. So press restore. And from here, it's going to start to restore the settings and delete everything. So once you do that, you'll get the HP logo and then you'll see it's loading. And then finally, the reset has been complete.